close up. Hello! Welcome to Adventures in TV Land! For today's adventure, I'm here with my youngest brother, and we're at Discovery Lab at the Gathering Place in Tulsa, Oklahoma. It's kind of like a hands-on science children's museum type place. So let's go and check it out!
Come on!
Discovery Lab is a new part of the Gathering Place, a family park area in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Discovery Lab just opened in the spring of 2022. Entry for admission is only $10. Children 2 and under are free, and educators and members of the military and various other people, they get a discount as well. Discovery Lab illustrates how science, technology, and engineering are just useful, but are so much fun as well. And although it's geared towards kids, in all honesty, I think the adults here have more fun than the kids do. When you walk in, one of the first things you see is this water wall where you can draw a picture on a screen and see the picture come to life in the water. Probably the most popular area here at Discovery Lab are the tape tunnels. This series of tunnels and the giant slide are all made from packing tape. I mean, isn't that amazing? All of those tunnels and that slide, all made from packing tape. It's pretty amazing how strong packing tape can be, especially to hold a big guy like me. There's a hydro lab section where there's a bunch of water tables where kids can play in. So a place to play with Lego-like blocks in water. There's a place to shoot guns, water guns, and a place to launch water rockets.
We're here in Cape Canaveral, Florida for the launch of the soda bottle. We got Captain Mr. Tom Varner, Adventures in TV Land. We're going to give the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch! Whoa! Yeah! To infinity and beyond!
There's a station where you can learn about music through colors and interaction with some pegs on a giant rainbow-colored pegboard. You can learn about energy by manually lighting up a giant energy sign. Learn about the power of wind and what makes a windmill work by building your own miniature windmill using the items provided. Tape tunnels were my favorite part of the Discovery Lab, probably followed by the water rocket area. But another area that I really liked was this parachute area where you could gather different weights and attach them to different types of parachutes and watch them fall and see if you could land in the center of the target. There are giant foam blocks to build your own little foam fort. As well as a super special ball pit where you could not only play with these balls, but you could vacuum them up and shoot them with cannons and slingshots and various other devices, as well as tunnels and things to crawl in. There's a section where science displays go on, as well as another section where older children could build things using constructs and pieces of wood and different things like that. Have you ever made your own magnetic field before? Discovery Lab at the Gathering Place in Tulsa, Oklahoma. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if you'd like to support the channel or you enjoyed this video, you can do so by going to either Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon and making a donation or becoming a member there. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap!